Have you heard of garbage in, garbage out? Matter of fact, it's pretty famous in data industry. If your data is not optimal, it's possible the insight from it will be useless. So in this video, I will be talking about what data cleaning is and how do you clean your data. Also, we will be talking about a misconception which most people have about data cleaning. And if you wait till the end, I will be giving you a simple quiz if you would like to test your knowledge. So here's the truth. You will be spending about 80% of your time with data before you even begin to display it in a dashboard or a report. And data cleaning is the very first step you need to do, where you make data reliable and trustworthy for your analysis. Think of it as cleaning veggies before you cook them. If you don't, you will be eating dirt with it. I know, quite gross. So the question here is, how do I clean my data? So there are many ways. Let's talk about them one by one. Number one, know the purpose of your data and only include the subset you need. Let's say you are looking into wildfire data and your analysis needs to include only USA. So you make sure there is no other countries in the data except USA. You may delete other countries' data from the dataset or exclude them altogether while sourcing from the main data source. This will help you run your queries and dashboard perform better because there is less data. Number two, find the duplicates and remove them. This may happen with fact tables or when you collect data from multiple tables and find a situation where you have two records, they are duplicate of each other. And in this case, you just keep one record out of the two duplicate records. So let's say you have fruit data and it may look like this, and you just want to keep one of those records. So you may use distinct function or you could use group by clause. Number three, data standardization. Let's say you have a state column in your data. In some places, the name of the state is Texas and in others it's TX. So in such case, you change the TX to Texas or vice versa so that the data is consistent throughout your data set. Similarly, let's say you have date column. In some places, it's formatted as YYY, DDMM. And in other places, it's DDMM, YYY. You would like to keep one consistent format to remove any further confusion and keep things consistent. Number four, missing values. Let's say you have student age data. One of the students does not have any age listed. So when your boss asks you for average age of students, you may give him a wrong answer if you are not handling missing age situation. You can either A, exclude that particular record, B, categorize as missing value, or C, mark it as do not use. This is where data profiling is pretty useful, and Power BI, in my opinion, is the best. During the data profiling, you could see which column attributes are there and whether they are healthy or not. For example, does the column have any null values, or how many unique values are there in a particular column? Number five, remove outliers. Now you have everything cleaned up, but there is one data point that throws off everything. Let's say you had one day where you forgot to turn off the stove and it ran day and night. Now when you see your electricity bill, you're like, wait, no way I'm paying this much money. So if you decide to calculate the average daily consumption, that outlier will inflate your average. So it's best to remove that outlier so you can get the true average. So that was all about data cleaning. But there is this common misconception that many people think that data cleaning and data transformation are the same thing. But trust me, they are not. Data cleaning is about fixing quality of your data, like everything we just talked about, removing duplicates, handling missing values, fixing format, and so on. While data transformation is a whole different thing. That is where you are reshaping your data to make it usable for your specific need, like aggregating it, pivoting it, or joining tables together. Think of it this way. Cleaning is making sure your veggies are fresh and dirt-free, and transformation is actually chopping them into thin or fat slices or in a particular shape or form and preparing them the way your recipe needs. All right, now it's time for a quiz. Let's see how much you picked up. So the question is, one of your customers does not have a phone number listed in your data. What data cleaning step would you take? A, remove duplicates. B, data standardization. C, handle missing values. Or D, remove outliers. You can comment your answer below. If you'd like to learn more about data analytics and the psychology behind it, then consider subscribing.